Hi, I'm Brian from Airflow Music. Welcome back to another video. This actually is the video I tried to make yesterday, but all kinds of technical difficulties beset me with camera settings and what have you. So I've had to scrap all of that. I'm just making it again today. But as I was going to tell you yesterday, this one is more of a kind of impromptu exercise of the week. As you saw in my video a couple of days ago, and thank you for the response to that, I'm just in the process of kind of rebuilding a little bit after getting off a little bit on my practicing and that kind of stuff as we've gotten deeper into the whole COVID-19 stay home situation and all that kind of stuff. So simply what I'm sharing with you today is the flexibility routine that I've been using myself lately. This is what I've been using to try and get moving again, try and get back in shape a little bit. And I don't think it's exactly the same as anything else you'll find in a book, and I like the way it makes my chops feel, so I thought I'd share it with all of you. It's a fairly simple 3 partial movement flexibility. You'll hear what it is as I get into it. I'm going to demonstrate all of the first set of these, and then the pattern repeats on the other partials, and just for the sake of time I'll demonstrate just a couple of keys on each other partial set, just so you can hear what it is. But everything is notated on the PDF, which is, as usual, available to download for free at the Airflow Music online store. So, it's not too much to say. I'm just looking to play smoothly, reasonably softly, and just get the notes moving nice and easily, really clicking into the slots, and just trying to be smooth and even with my tempo. I'm going to set the metronome going at 100 beats a minute, and I'll see you on the other side. So there you go. At least a partial demonstration of the full set. If I was to do the whole thing, it would take about 25 minutes, and I don't think anyone, including myself, has the patience to watch that on a video. So if you want to check it out, you can download it at the link below. As usual, the exercise is available for free from the Airflow Music online store. All you need to do is make sure that you follow the link and then add it to cart and check out. That way you'll get the actual PDF rather than just downloading the first page as a graphic. Okay, I hope it's useful to you, as it has been to me, and I will see you on the next one. Going to aim to do these daily, as I said, but I've already failed in that, but I'm going to be back at least a few times this week. I hope you're staying safe and well, and I will see you on the next one. Until then, go practice.